Badunguza ebumnyameni abanye abafundi ngekusasa labo ezikhungweni zemfundo ephakeme. Abanye kungenzeka bengabuyi ukuzofunda kulonyaka, kanti abanye basalinde ukuzwa ukuthi bazohlinzekwa yini ngemali yokufunda. eNyuvesi ICentral Universty of Technology yona isikumisile ukufunda ngenxa yembhikisho.
Uhulumende kunye neuniversities necolleges balwisana nabafundi. Baqale ngokuthatha imali yabafundi babafundi. Bathathe billions and billions up to 24.6 billion from NSFAS. Sithetha nawe nje aba bafundi abame apha phandle kwale gate abakwazi ukuba baregister bafunde.
Owabe engumengameli womkhandlu omele abafundi eCUT usola abaphathi besikhungo ngokunyathela amalungelo abafundi. Lo mkhandlu wahlakazwa.
We went to them and said, management, you are without an SRC or student representative in the university, and we think you are on the wrong side of the law, as there must at all material times be a legally recognized body that represents the students.
ICUT izichithile izinsolo enindwa ngazo zokuthi abaphathi bayo abafuni ukuxoxisana nabamele abafundi.
The university initiated a process of finding common grounds with student leaders and proposed that they serve for the next 2 months, after which elections will be held to usher in new leaders.
Ukusenjalo eNyuvesi yaseFree State nakhona abafundi badonsa kanzima ukubhalisa.
We, as the SRC, we are going to make a proposal to management that they allow students to register without paying registration fee.
eNyuvesi yaseFree State isiselulile isikhathi sokubhaliswa kwabafundi kuze kube yisonto elizayo.